Hi, I'm Donna. Today I'm going to show you how to assemble my Halloween themed cutout bookmarks. I have two Halloween themed designs available to download for free if you would like to make these. I cut these designs from cardstock using a Cricut cutting machine, but you could also cut these by hand. To set up the file in Cricut's design space, download the PNG file and upload it into Cricut's design space. Import it as a cut file. Resize the design to a width of 17.076 cm and a height of 18.4 cm. Each part of the design is around 7 cm wide and 18 cm long. I cut out two different coloured pieces of card at 9 cm wide by 20 cm long and placed them next to each other on a light grip mat so that the back piece is cut from a different colour to the front piece. Click Make and set the cut pressure to light cardstock. Once the pieces are cut, glue the cutaway piece to the back. I use a stick glue around the edges for this. Taking care to line up the edges, place the cutout piece onto the back piece. You can adjust it slightly by sliding the top piece left or right to make sure that the pieces are aligned whilst the glue is wet. I like to go over my glued edges with a brayer just to push out any air that's trapped and ensure that the two sides are completely pushed together evenly. And there we have it. That's the bookmark. These cutout bookmarks are part of a set of different types of Halloween bookmark designs that I am giving away. Check out the linked video at the end of this one if you would like more details on the origami bookmark. I've also included links below to my print and cut pumpkin bookmarks, along with a link to the written tutorial for adding a ribbon loop using Cricut's design space. I really hope you've enjoyed this video. If so, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel to keep up to date with my future videos. Thanks for watching.